Hi traders, this is Mario from Forex Otherway, the channel for the traders made by a trader. In this video I'm going to show you the coincidence of some external events on market behavior. I will show you trend reversal points strictly related to the movement of the planets. More precisely, an impact of repeating astronomical events on trend changes. So let's start the rock and roll. At the beginning, I would like to tell you this video is a first part of a longer series where I will prove that some events in the sky are beyond the theory of probability. We can predict the time when trend change occurs. In this first part, I will show you how retrograde motion of some planets might influence the market. Well, first of all, let me explain you what retrograde motion is. By definition, retrograde motion we call when, for the observer from the Earth, the planet appears to move backwards. So, well, by definition from Wikipedia, retrograde motion is an apparent change in the movement of the planet through the sky. It is not real in that the planet does not physically start moving backwards in its orbit. It just appears to do so because of the relative position of the planet and Earth and how they are moving around the Sun. You just get it for granted. Important thing is for us, when a planet starts retrograding, there is moving backwards, as we would say, the trend market changes occur that time when it starts retrograding and when it ends at the end of retrograding motion. So that's the important thing you have to keep in mind. Now I'll show you some examples I made. It is from the geocentric point of view, but it works on heliocentric as well. After this video, you might check it yourself at home with the software. I use the software called Astrolog 6.40. You can use any other free software from the net. So I already marked here some points on, I marked it on a daily chart, but after I adjusted the lines on 4-hour charts to show you more precisely how it works. So I just marked all the retrograde motions in 2019. This video is made on 27 January 2020. So I will show you backwards in the past what happened, how I marked it. So we started in April, 25th of April 2019, when Pluto started retrograding. We've got here this square is all 6 candles on the date of 25th of April. So I stress it, Pluto started a retrograde here. So the next one on 30th, oh, it's not this one, sorry, where we got Pluto? 25th of April. Here we go. That's the first one. Pluto started retrograde over here. The next date we got Saturn started retrograde on 30th of April. The next one we've got over here on the 24th of June. We've got what we've got on 24th of June. We got 22nd of June, but it was Saturday. So that's the reason why I marked 24th of June, when Neptune started retrograding. The next date, it's at 8th of July, when Mercury started retrograding. The next one, we've got 2nd of August, when Mercury ended retrograding and started moving as usual. The next date, 12th of August, Jupiter started, ended retrograding when it started before, somewhere in the past. I didn't check it. So this end of Jupiter retrograde. Next one over here, 18th of September, Saturn started retrograde motion. The next one, 3rd of October. 3rd of October, Pluto started retrograde motion. 1st of November, Mercury started retrograde motion. On 20th of November, Mercury ended its retrograde motion and started moving as usual. And 28th of November, we got end of Saturn retrograde motion. So that's how it looks like. You can check it many years backwards and you will see it really works. Well, we haven't got any more retrogrades later on. Now I didn't check in what we've got something now in January. No, we haven't got. We are on 27th of January. No retrograde motion whatsoever. So when you check it, let me show you how it looks like on a scale. So we started here. We've got altogether 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 points marked, of which we hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We hit 9 out of 11. 9 out of 11 is, my dear friend, is 81% hits. Well, it doesn't look like a probability calculus. It is something in the middle. I encourage you to make your own research to find out. There are other planets you can also try in heliocentric as well, and you will see. But don't trade it. First check it. It's just, for educational purposes. I hope it helped. My dear friends, if you liked it, just share it with the others and come back later. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.